Abby here from Twist Me Pretty. Welcome back to my channel. Since we are literally knee-deep in hairstyles this month from the 30 and 30 challenge, I thought it'd be a nice change of pace to do like a first impressions video. And I found the perfect product. So I've been getting PR boxes sent to me from Pantene for a while now, and you guys, I test out so many products. This one got me curious because I've been seeing it all over Instagram, and I have a lot of friends who use it and have really good things to say about it. So this is the Pantene Charcoal Shampoo and Conditioner. So I thought we'd kind of test it out, give my first impression, thoughts, and review on it, and hang out a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks Pantene for sponsoring it. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into it. Okay, first off, I love the packaging. It's just very soothing. I like the neutral earthy tones. Those are great, and honestly, I'm a sucker for anything with a pump. Every shampoo and conditioner should come with a pump. It just makes life so much easier. So I love the bottles. They're very chic and simple. I really love these. What drew me in was the word charcoal. So charcoal is known in the beauty industry to pull out oil and dirt and toxins. It's in a lot of face masks and toothpastes. So that had me curious, and on the shampoo it actually says, get the power of a re-energizing cleanse and dramatic detox in one. So it claims that the Pro V nutrient-infused blend with activated charcoal cleanses deep to remove buildup of hair and scalp impurities. So we're gonna test that out today, guys. See if it leaves my hair feeling refreshed and renewed after using it. You guys can see that my hair needs to be washed. So let's jump into that. Okay, hold 1 minute while I try to get this stupid bun out of my hair. So first off, the shampoo smells really good. It's like a very soft and refreshing scent. It's not florally at all, which I really appreciate. And then it lathers easily, which I'm always happy about. Honestly, I'd rather the shampoo do all the heavy lifting. I have a ton of product in my hair right now, and it's just working through all the oil and products and dry shampoo like a champ. Before I put it on, I made sure that it was safe to use uncolored treated hair, so we're good there. And then one thing that was really important to me, which I was really happy to know, is that both the shampoo and the conditioner are made with 0 parabens, 0 dyes, and 0 silicones. And get this, the conditioner is Pantene's first ever silicone-free conditioner, which is super cool. It's nutrient dense and smells very similar to their other products, just very clean and refreshing. So when I'm all finished, I jump out of the shower and I use a special microfiber towel to kind of towel dry my hair and help with frizz. And then it's a quick paddle dry and some fresh curls. You guys, my hair feels so good right now. I am super impressed. I can tell that Pantene is really amping up their ingredient list. My hair feels so awesome, and the smell just, it's really refreshing. I think you're gonna love it. So if you're like me and you don't wash your hair every day and you need a powerhouse shampoo and conditioner that gently detoxes, give this line a try. This is the Pantene Charcoal. You can find it at Target. And then one thing I wanted to mention is they're having an online and in-store special. So if you buy 2 Charcoal Collection products, you'll get a $5 gift card. So there's that. Give it a try and let me know what you think. And I love you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.